how to share notes on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options there. You will see your homepage, your search icon, your create or post icon, and then reels, and of course for to the very end is your profile icon. And then on the upper right, you will see messenger icon here. Tap on that and basically you will see your conversation, your messages or chat area. Now on the upper part you will see profiles there, the people's or your friends notes. So to be able to share your own notes is you will see your note there. Tap on the plus sign there, and here you can share your thoughts. So let's say you will see here shared with followers you follow back. Tap on that, and let's say you just want to share it to your close friends, then you can tap on close friends there and then tap on done if you're satisfied with that. So let's say you want to share your notes to basically everyone who follows you back or your friends, then tap on followers you follow back and then tap on done. And then on the upper right, you will see share. Tap on share there. And here you have now successfully shared notes on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.